A few weeks ago, I shared some interesting 5-star hotel secrets with you, like triple sheeting for your bed, duvet hacks, scent strategies, and clutter control. But here's the truth, those tips are just scratching the surface. Today, I'm taking you deeper into the secrets that even most designers don't know. Practical hacks that luxury hotels use secretly to create an unforgettable experience. From hidden design psychology tricks to effortless elegance hacks, get ready, because you will be surprised how easy it is to mimic them into your home and transform your space, small or medium. First, it's the noise control trick. Why do luxury hotel spaces feel so calm, even when they're right in the middle of busy cities? The secret is sound control, and hotels use this silent wealth trick to create a space that feels peaceful, grounded, and luxurious. Sound directly influences how our brains perceive a space. Sharp, bouncing echoes from glass, metal, or concrete create subconscious stress, making a room feel cheap, chaotic, or unfinished. On the other end, softened sound, absorbed by textiles, wood, and layered materials, tricks your mind into feeling more secure, calmer, and grounded, which your brain associates with wealth and status. Luxury hotels rely on sound control to trigger relaxation the moment guests enter, creating a calm bubble that feels exclusive and expensive. Upscale stores like Louis Vuitton and Chanel often add noise-absorbing panels to their walls for the same reason. Less noise equals more perceived luxury. Now let's see how you can replicate that, affordably, no renovation needed. Adorn your wall with a woven decor piece. Incorporate a decorative textile wall piece, linen fabric, or a canvas art piece behind your sofa or bed. This absorbs noise and adds warmth. Use quiet rugs in key spaces. Add a woven or jute rug in hallways, entryways, or dining areas. This prevents sound from bouncing off hard floors. Years back, when I was living in my small apartment in New York, I had that issue with noise bouncing in this small space that caused stress. One day, I added a textured canvas behind my sofa, and I can tell you, suddenly the whole room felt quieter, calmer, and more expensive. But if you think that's powerful, wait till you see the next trick. It's something I never thought would work. It's the frame illusion trick. Ever notice how hotel spaces feel grander, even when they're small, the minute you arrive or enter your room? It's because they manipulate your brain's depth perception with clever framing tricks. Everything hanging in the walls, whether it's artwork, decor, painting, or mirrors, are framed. Our brains are wired to measure space by identifying visual endpoints, like corners, borders, or edges. By adding thin, dark borders around mirrors, doors, or artwork, hotels create the illusion that those endpoints are further away, making walls feel taller, ceilings higher, and rooms larger. Upscale hotels like the Burj Al Arab and the Ritz-Carlton often use thin black or gold trim to make their spaces feel grander. Brands like Apple apply this principle in store design, creating clean lines that stretch visual boundaries and evoke a limitless feel. I know, you're already thinking how you're going to do that. This is what you need to do. It's fast and affordable. 1. Frame your mirror or wall art. Use wooden or metallic trim to create a visual border that tricks the eye into believing the space is larger, walls are taller. 2. Add vertical lines for height. Placing a tall vase, slim vertical plant, or narrow bookshelf forces your eye upward, enhancing height perception. I remember adding a $10 frame around my hallway mirror, and guests kept asking if I'd redone the space. But if you think that's clever, the next tip is even more powerful. My personal favorite. Who doesn't like a clean space? Luxury hotels have mastered a powerful psychological tactic that makes their rooms feel cleaner, fresher, and more high-end, even when they aren't spotless. It's called the silent cleaning trick, and it's all about using subtle visual and sensory cues to suggest cleanliness rather than relying solely on deep cleaning. Our brains don't evaluate cleanliness solely based on what's actually clean. We rely on subconscious visual, spatial, and sensory triggers that make a space feel cleaner than it is. Luxury hotels carefully manipulate these cues to trick your brain into feeling like everything is pristine. Here's how it works. 1. The gloss and glow illusion, visual cleanliness. Shiny, reflective surfaces trick your brain into feeling like everything is freshly cleaned, even if no deep cleaning was done. Hotels often polish key surfaces like mirrors, glass tables, or chrome fixtures to create a clean shine effect. The eye associates reflections with sterility, even if the space isn't 100% spotless. Here's your DIY tip. Spray a fine mist of diluted glycerin or clear baby oil on faucets and glass shower doors to create a subtle, lasting sheen. But do it with a microfiber cloth to create that luxury hotel glow. Even if you skip dusting other areas. But dust has to be taken care of. Hotels often hide magnetic strips under large furniture to attract dust that vacuums can't reach. Use adhesive magnetic strips under sofas, beds, or cabinets. They silently trap dust without lifting a finger. 2. The crisp fabric trick. Textural cleanliness. Crisp, structured textiles signal freshness to your brain, even if those fabrics haven't been washed recently. Hotels frequently use tightly tucked sheets, sharp pillow edges, and folded towels to create a subconscious sense of order and sterility. Wrinkles and uneven fabrics, on the other hand, suggest disarray, even in a spotless room. Fold your towels neatly and tightly. Avoid loose rolls as they subconsciously feel less clean. Try the hotel pillow chop for that sharp, luxurious look. 3. The white space trick. Spatial cleanliness. Although we recommend that your space always smell fresh and scented, empty, open spaces trigger a sense of order and hygiene. While clutter makes a room feel grimy, hotels deliberately leave empty countertops, clear bedside tables, and minimal surfaces to suggest the space has been cleaned recently. Psychologically, a surface that looks untouched feels freshly sanitized. Keep 20 to 30% of your surfaces empty, especially in high-touch areas like kitchens, bathrooms, and entry tables. And finally for today, the hidden contrast trick. Why do luxury hotel bathrooms feel crisp and clean, yet never cold or sterile? It's because they secretly mix warm and cool tones to create a perfectly balanced environment. We associate cold colors, like white, gray, and silver, with cleanliness, but too much feels clinical. On the flip side, warm colors, like wood, bronze, and brass, make us feel secure, but too much feels heavy. By blending these contrasts, hotels create a clean yet cozy atmosphere that feels expensive. 5-star hotels like the St. Regis often combine cool marble with wood details or warm brass accents for this luxurious balance. Even high-end retail brands like Gucci and Versace use contrast-rich interiors to create depth and richness. DIY tip for you. Simple and affordable. Switch to wood accessories. Swap out plastic soap dishes, toothbrush holders, or trays for wooden versions. They'll instantly add warmth. Try small details like brass towel hooks, bronze soap dispensers, or a gold frame around your mirror. Luxury isn't just about what you see, it's about how your home makes you feel. By combining these practical, easy-to-do tricks, many of which cost next to nothing, you'll turn your space into a sanctuary that feels like $1,000,000. If this video gave you a spark of inspiration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which trick you're trying first, and let's keep transforming our homes into spaces that feel extraordinary.